Hello, my name is Tate, and we are here back with our Endurahive box. Here, we're going to put these frames into this box, then we're going to move this box to where this hive is. And at the same time, we're going to be checking for swarm cells and brood and drones like that in case they are going to swarm. But the nectar flow is about to come, and we need it to be on the lookout for swarming. That's what we are doing. We will see you in a little bit. Hello, we are back again, and I am here baiting some hive beetle traps that we got from the expo. And I'm using Bye Bye Beetle. And these new traps, they're going to help us out a lot this summer since we have hive beetles like crazy. And so far that is it for the trapping bit. Hello, we are back again with the bees. As I said before, we're going to move the frames into this Endurahive box. Thank you, Greg Burns, for giving us this hive, and we are hoping it works really well. Okay, let's check inside. Got some fondant. Oh. Okay, well, I think we're just going to leave it like that. The label on it. Really good. Okay, and so we're going to put it to the side like this. We'll put this on at the end. Okay, we're going to crack this frame. No honey, no honey. This is empty. They haven't got to work on it yet. We are also still looking for swarm cells, which are like these peanut things. And if we do see them, we're going to put them in a different hive along with some of the bees, and we're going to make a split. And I think my dad just found the queen. I think that is really good. Okay, what do you see on that side, Ma?
I think it looks good. I can't see the bottom of it though, buddy.
A little hive beetle. Don't want to destroy this comb. Okay, there's no eggs, it's just the empty. They're starting to work on it here at the back. Maybe at the top. Ooh, this one is a feeding frame, which is really, really good. Okay, I think I might need the hive. Here, I will be right back with it. Okay, cracked that last frame. This frame right here had a lot of bees on it. Lots of honey. It was a feeding frame, which is mainly their stores are looking kind of good, but not the best. Smoke, if possible. Okay, lots of honey. Really good, really good.
Look on the bottom, Tatey. That's all stuff.
Swarm cells are not going to be on the feeding frame. They're going to be in the bottom box.
Point out the larvae, point out the brood if she's laying.
Okay, she's laying good, and there's some good brood over here. Really, really nice pattern.
And
Right there's the queen.
where?
She's right there. She's big and right there. See her?
Oh,
See, she's right there. Oh, the pond. Right there.
there's a lot of pond. There's a lot of pond. Right here in this section.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good. Mm-hmm. I'll hand this to you, buddy.
Okay, here are the bees that they're just placed in their new boxes signed by Greg Burns. Right now, they're telling the field force, hey, this is our new home. They're directing the foragers saying, this is our home. Come here, bring us some food and stuff like that. Bye. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe in the description below. It really helps out my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.